Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Jonathan. This episode, we are going to be playing Boom Beach. So, some of you might know if you played this game before, but there is a new update, and it's now snowy. So let's get into this. My base isn't the best, so yeah. The trade will be in 3 hours and 22 minutes. So let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do a trader opening. I'll upgrade this. Get with the rewards. One diamond away. Any chests? Yep, we're in the thousands again. So what we're going to be doing first is attacking the war factory. There's only 5 hours after this. And this looks pretty daunting. So what I'll do is we're going to drop down Captain Husma, shotgun, and wait for her to drop some crits. Keep him shocked. Drop down the rest. Yeah, we're going to stick out a couple of this one. Get some little reward thresholds. And yes, we're going to retrieve from that. Well, isn't doing that. So we did win 50 grand of wood. What we'll do for a bit is we will just let's just go into clubs. Never seen it before, never heard this map, so let's try it. Looks simple. Let's see if it is. I'm not too much of a fan of this base, and I do recall playing it before. But the real question is, can we take it down in time? Leave a like if you're enjoying it right now, and subscribe if you aren't already. Leave a comment if you'd like to continue this as a series, or just move on to something new. Your voice matters, guys. And down goes clubs. what we're going to do now is we're going to go hop onto warships, and I was on the global leaderboard, and I wasn't playing it as much, and I got taken off, but my base, I haven't been on it recently, and it's not looking as good as I would have expected it to be. So today we're just going to try and get tanks and upgrade our rocket launchers again. We'll just get rid of this one down here. Obviously I won't take it down because my artillery is too weak. And the cruise will take it down, I think. Drop a shock on that, fly up to this. Drop another shock. When this goes down, we're going to fly straight away. I'm going to go in guns blazing, guys. And I'm not too bothered with the fact if we lose. It's just I want to get these chests. Only about 3 seconds. But you did have 2 prototypes, whereas I only have 1. That was actually a precise flare, that wasn't it? Wait, shot. Hopefully I win. No, lost by a mile. That's gonna wrap it up for the video, guys. We are going to unlock the tanks. And next video, we will be unlocking this if you want to see more content of Boom Beach. Just upgrade that for the crack. So yeah, remember, like, comment and subscribe for more videos. And turn your post notifications on. And have fun. And I'll see you guys in the next one.